What?
2 left.
Holy crap, I have 2 left. That sucks. Wow. You dirty bastard. Woo. Whoa. But the Minotaur is right next to me. Holy crap. Where's all my soldiers at? Oh crap. Not that place again. Look at this. Holy crap. Hope there's power up in this game. It's like I'm really getting my ass now. Bastard. Haha, I deked you. Whoa. Not these bitches. Bitch, fight like a man. Don't be a bitch and stay back. And just throw arrows at me. Oh, you died. Holy crap. Oh my god. You died. I'll stab you to death. Stab you to death. Stab you to death. Hell yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Get up there. Stupid shit. Oh my god. Don't fall down. Oh crap. Okay. Try this again. Seems really annoying. Whoa!
Retreat! Take the injured back first! Look, men! Here come our reinforcements!
Is this a game a ripoff of God of War? Oh yeah, it's God of War. I wonder if, I think God of War is an Xbox exclusive. Or a PS3 exclusive, I think. And this is an Xbox 360 exclusive. So this is like a God of War ripoff. I don't know. But so far it's dumb. Yeah, it kind of does remind me of God of War. But God of War is way better. Even like PlayStation 2. Yeah. Oh my god. What the hell? Why did I just smack those things down? Whoa. Oh my god, he has shields. Those freaking bitches. Get your shields down and fight like a real man. But I'll be a bitch and just run away. Woo. Oh my god, I'm almost dead. I wonder if there's health. How do I get health? There you go. Woo! Holy crap. Look at these bitches. Okay, whatever. I'm running away. Oh my god. You bitches with arrows. I need health, god damn it. God damn it.
All units, take up a defensive formation. We shall defend this point, sir. One left.
Holy crap, one left, man. I might have to die before, because I got low health right now.
Reinforcements led by Sir Galen have arrived. We will now go to defend the altars.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Man, I need health, man. Where do I get health? Where does like a health map or something? Nope, no health map. I do need like God of War. So for this game to be like a crappy version of God of War, must really suck. Yeah, I don't like these like historic fantasy type games. I like games like Singularity, you know? So I guess everybody else has a different opinion.